So who's our friends here?
This is my grandpa and his friend Mary.
I like them. I love them. I considered buying one.
Really?
Yeah, one of her neighbors had one.
He'd bought one and he's building a new house and he needed the money back, and he offered a pretty good deal on it. I thought about it, but decided I really didn't need it.
Did he sell to someone in Tulsa?
I don't know who bought it. I don't know who bought it. He put it online and somebody bought it.
What's your story?
My Delorean has an American flag.
Your alternator is way the hell up here, man. What's up with that? Man, let's put that on the video. Actually, did your car come with the twin turbo?
Yep, the previous owner had modified it.
So either one of you got the flu?
Flu? Oh no, don't say that word.
Yeah.
Yep, the guy I bought it from, he was into the add-on stuff. What I like about this one was the wheels. Yeah. So from reading, you could buy one that you had to do a lot of work to, or find one that someone else has already done a lot of work to.
Yeah. It's cheaper to have them do the work, isn't it?
Yeah, he didn't come out ahead on the turbocharger.
When did you first hear about Delorean?
Back when they were doing, back when John Delorean did it. I thought it was the coolest thing ever. Road and track and all that. Completely different car. Gull wing made it very cool.
See, you're way older than me. It was Back to the Future movies for me, actually. So.
Who's your pal?
This is Kenzie. She's a little schnauzer poodle mix. Can't even say it. Schnauzer poo.
Schnickadoodle. Now these are tricked up. This is way funny. This guy has really too much time on his hands. That's cool though.
It is way cool, right?
Are you off Thursday and Friday, or you know about Thanksgiving? You have to know. Go to Maine and then go to County.
Oh yeah, wait, let me get one that's like
How do you remember 88 miles an hour?
I think it was 85, 88 or 85.
that thing would like glow when he was getting up to speed. God, you need to watch the thing.
So what's Sasha think?
I like it. It's very cool. I think that they need to do another Back to the Future and use this car.
'80s car, '80s arcade game.
Sweet.
It's required.
You guys haven't seen her, have you? You haven't seen her automatic. For the light? You're not shooting me.
Well, the video.
What it is these will
I was,
but these won't get any adjustments. These will get tinted clearly.
This is the Delorean Motor Company refurb, put together in '05. One of the first, maybe 10 to 15 they put together. It's with a Stage 2 performance engine.
Get both of these going. Hoverboard. Watch your head. There's two doors there.
Hey Cliff, here you go.
Yeah, he's got the full thing.
Ask him how many JVC cameras he has.
Don't.
A dozen?
Spare ones of these?
No, I've got one that's a piecer, and it's missing one too.
I know.
I've got like 3 or 4 now. I just got my Valterra skateboard the other day.
Yeah.
So I got Marty's skateboard now.
Put it on.
No.
You know, people see you on YouTube, but like that.
I still need to wear this one day driving down the road. Flip it down past somebody. Freak.
No.
No, she won't let me.
No.
Why not?
Certain things I'm not allowed.
Put it on YouTube.
No.
That'd be awesome.
Well, we pulled in, I went, what is this? What is this? DeLoreans?
Flux capacitors are my thing.
Mm-hmm. Have you seen his?
Yes, I saw his. It was like, we drove by him. I was like, a DeLorean. And my kids are like, how do you know what a DeLorean is?